Hi, I'm Tony Baker, and I want to encourage you to enter the Weehee competition sponsored by the International Trombone Association. This competition celebrates the music of Arthur Pryor, who was one of the greatest players of our instrument. I want to give you a few points to think about as you're preparing the piece. 1. Listen, listen, listen. The only way that you can really learn any style of music is by listening to it, especially the style of Arthur Pryor. 2. Practice slowly and repetitively with a metronome. Remember, if you're missing notes in time, you're going to miss notes out of time too. 3. Stay true to the music. Arthur Pryor doesn't need our help. Don't add a whole bunch of stuff to it. Just play what's on the page as fantastically and stylistically responsible as possible. 4. Keep it light. It should be acrobatic and playful. Don't hammer away at the music or the instrument. 5. Have fun. The music should sound fun to listen to. It should be fun to play, and you should have the audience sitting on the edge of their seat the entire time. So, I hope you'll enter the Weehee competition.